So we have inverse functions, right? So how do we represent inverse function? Like for the function we have fx, for inverse we have f inverse. How do we read this? F inverse x, f power -1 and x. Okay, this is the symbol of f inverse x. Okay, 20.5. Okay, so inverse, you can assume inverse means you can assume just it's opposite. Okay, but now see how to calculate this one. Question number 1a. Learn the method. Fx equals to x plus 3. Okay, because we have given fx equals to x plus 3, and question is find f inverse x. Okay, find f inverse x. Correct? Fx equals to x plus 3. Find f inverse x. So very simple. What you have to do, let you have to just I'm writing here, let fx equals to y. Okay, you have to replace fx by y. Understanding? See, simple. Only one thing you have to do. You have to replace this fx by y, right? Fx equals to y. Wherever there is fx, you write y. Okay. So listen, fx equals to y. This fx equals to y. You are right. Okay. Now this is x plus 3. Once fx is replaced by y, we are getting y equals to x plus 3. Now we have to make x subject. Just remember, in algebra, we used to do this thing. We change the subject. Right? In this one, y is subject, but we have to make x subject. So how can we make x subject? Y. Okay, so, shift this. This will be -3. Okay, x is left here. Or x equals to x equals to y. X equals to y minus. Right? So this is very important. Replace fx by y and then write the equation. The right portion will remain as it is. Now, once we get y equals to x plus 3, our expression, then we will change the subject. We will make x as a subject. Okay, and x equals to we are getting here. Now, look here at right. Fx equals to y, it means f inverse y equals to, okay, f inverse. Correct? If you interchange, you shift this y from right left. Left means we with function with f. So then there will be f inverse y, x will be here. So on the place of f x, you can write f inverse y. Okay, important. This is technical point. Listen here. This is what x equals to f inverse y. We have x here, so we will replace this x by f inverse y. Okay, f inverse y, because we need same variable in both sides, here x and here y. So that's the problem. So we need same variable. So x is replaced by f inverse y equals to y minus 3. Okay, right? Now you can see that same variable in both sides, y in left and also in right. Now in next step, what you have to do, you have to replace y by x. F inverse x equals to x minus 3. What I am doing here, I'm just replacing, okay, replacing x, y by x. Understanding? Simply in the equation, in equation 1. For this equation 1. So in equation 1, you replace y by x. So here y, write x, here y, write x. So f inverse x equals to x minus 3. So this is the way to find out the inverse of a gx equals to 3x minus 2 over. So first of all, what we do, what is the first step? We replace this gx or fx, whatever we have, gx, fx, or something else, whatever function we have. we replace this by y. Okay, we replace this by y. So I'm writing here, let gx equals to y. Okay, we replace gx by y. Right side you will write as it is, 3x minus 2 over, right? Okay, so first step I'm writing here, replace gx by y. Okay, replace gx by y. Sorry, it should be, yeah, replace gx by y. Okay, so I have written, right. Now we have y here and x here. So what we have to do? We have to make x the subject. In this one, y is subject, but we have to change subject y to x. Okay, so we simplify this one. 4, this becomes 4y equals to 3x minus 2. So 2 or adding to both sides. Okay, 3x in next step, dividing by 3. So this is 4y plus 2 over 3 equals to x. Or x equals to, 4y plus 2 over 3. So what we have to do, we have to make same variable both sides. Okay, so look again here, if gx equals to y, then it means g inverse y equals to x. We interchange variable, so you can replace x by g inverse y from here. Okay, replace x by g inverse y. You can see here from here. Okay, from this one. We'll look here from this. Okay, this result I get from here. Then so g inverse y equals to 4y plus 2 over 3. Okay, g inverse y equals to 4y plus 2 over 3. So if it is true for y, it should also be true for x. Okay, should be also true for x. So therefore you replace y, replace y by x. Okay, by x. So you get g inverse x equals to then 4x plus 2 over 3. Okay, 4x plus 2 over 3. So that is the inverse of function gx. Okay, so we replace gx by y. Okay, gx by y. Here what we assume, gx equals to y. We assume this. Okay, so this becomes gx becomes y equals to 2x plus 4 over 3. Now you know we have to make x subject. 3y equals to 2x plus 4, then negative minus 4 here. This is 2x divided by 2. So this becomes 3y minus 4 over 2 equals to x, or x equals to 3y minus 4 over 2. Okay, so if gx equals to y, you know, g inverse y equals to x, what you will write here? G inverse y. Okay, you will write g inverse y equals to 3y minus 4 over 2. Now then we will do, if it is true for this one, so replace y by x. So g inverse, therefore g inverse x equals to 3x minus 4 over 2. Okay, 3x minus 4 over 2. Now look at its part C. Okay, this part C, question 4C. What we have to find out, what he's saying that, see, find G inverse negative 6. Okay, and we have G inverse this. So G inverse negative 6 means wherever there is x, you write minus 6 or replace x by minus 6. So this becomes 3 minus 6 minus 4 over 2, 3 times. Okay, so minus 18 minus 4 over 2 minus 22 over 2. So this is negative 11. So G inverse negative 6 equals to negative 11. It's like once you get the inverse, simply you replace x by the whatever value is given. Okay, like here minus 6 is given, and then you simplify, you will get the answer. So G inverse minus 6 equals to minus 7. Right? This way you will do all the remaining part. So when we have to find out a solution, okay, now I'm going to find out. Look, fgx, what we have to find out? Fgx. Okay, remember what is gx here? Fgx, replace gx by its value. Gx, what is gx? On the place of gx, write x plus. Pay attention. This gx, okay, what you will do? Replace gx by its value, by whatever its value, that is what is its value? X plus 5. Okay, x plus 5, fgx. So gx replaced by its value, that is x plus 5. Now f, and on the place of gx you write x plus. Okay, x plus. Understood this one? Gx you replace by its value f. Now it's fx plus 5. Now we look the fx equals to x minus 3. Look at this one. So when you will open this one, x minus 3, replace x here, replace x by x plus 5. This whole means value x. Okay, this x plus 5, what
So
you
what
will
is that
do?
replace? Is it G or is it F?
Yes, yes, gx,
The replace
g,
oh G, okay.
yeah, this is g. Okay, this is g. And now what you will replace in the fx? How do we open fx? We open fx x minus 3. So what I will write here, I'm writing again here, fx equals to x minus 3. So this, on the place of this x, you will write x plus 5. Okay, x plus 5, and then negative 3. Understand? This whole means x. So this x, okay, when we open fx, it becomes x minus 3, whatever here. So now on the place of x, we have x plus 5. So x plus 5, then minus 3. So this is x and 5 minus 3. So this is the value of fgx. This we have got fgx, and this gx equals to x plus. So replace this f and then gx by x plus 3. Okay, gx by x plus 3, this value. You can see the color. Okay, now then how do we open x? Look here, fx equals to x minus 4. So open this x minus 3. What if x is here, this become x minus 4. So if x plus 3, it will be x plus 3 minus 4 in same pattern. Whatever here, it will come here. Now we have x plus 3 here, x plus 3 here, then minus 4. I have written minus 4. So this is x and negative 1 plus 3 minus 4. So this is the value of fgx. Now what we have to find out? Fg2. Fgn2. So means replace this x by 2. 2 minus 1. This is okay.